when it comes to suppliers. And again, this is kind of more related to Vietnam, but it can be also related to other countries. When you're looking at the quantities, there's been a lot of people come to me and say that in Vietnam, they're finding it hard to get a low quantity. Again, I feel like the Vietnamese are going to try to take advantage as much as they can on your situation and the fact that you're a foreigner, because, you know, they'll look at you like, let's just try to get as much quantity as we can. Let's push and see what they say. But it's important to stick to your guns. I've got custom products made for 300 units, right? 200 units. So wow. It's very, very important to actually really do stick with your guns and understand how to navigate that negotiation process. One thing that you can do, and especially when you're starting out and you're going to test that product, is you can pay a little bit more unit in price, so that way you get a little bit less inventory. There's nothing wrong with doing that as long as you don't order a container, right? So if you're getting 200 or 300 units and the cost per unit is $4, you can offer them $6 per unit, but you only want, say, 150 units, right? There's nothing wrong with doing that. Initially, you know that your final cost when you order more is still going to be $4, but that initial term, instead of ordering 500 units, you can now order 150 units, right? So that's one thing you can do. Also, another thing is long emails or straight to the point. If you did send the Vietnamese long emails, they probably will never reply to you. It really needs to be short, sharp, and sweet. And the way you actually craft your sentence is, again, by understanding your customer avatar and your product. So for example, if I'm looking at a STEM toy and that's the niche I want to get into, before I even contact the supplier, I would know what wood I want it made out of. I would know the exact product that I actually want, whether it's a custom product. Maybe I'll send them some examples. I'll let them know what packaging I'm looking for. So it'll be essentially one sentence. Hey, name, this is the product I'm looking for. This is the wood we're looking to make it out of. This is our particular thing that we want to do. And you might not want to share all your ideas initially, of course, but there are ways to actually, you can go about that where it becomes really safe. So, and again, you can kind of reach out to me and I can show you that, but there are certain contracts that you can have in place to ensure that your idea stays protected within Vietnam also. But yes, be straight to the point and just be very detailed in terms of that one sentence, exactly what product you're looking for, size, shape, material, packaging, where you're going to be selling it to, and your business is in Australia. That's about it. They're happy.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 people and growing. We're the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs right now, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you would like to find out more about what we do and also come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description, and I will see you on the next video. Until then, bye for now.